Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our horizontal spreads for the last week of January, and I've got these sticker books that I pulled from this week, as well as my wax paper spread all ready to go. And so that's kind of been my routine, to use the wax paper to pre-plan this spread for you guys. But this week my idea was to use the cactus stickers that I found in the Happy Illustration sticker book. I've been sitting on those for a while and I just decided to use them this week, and I thought it would be a really good match with the Dream Seeker stickers just because they kind of have those desert bloom feels to them. So that's what I ended up doing and marrying those two. So you'll see those two are the majority of the design stickers here on the spread. So right now I'm kind of laying out the first day, and I decided I'm going to trim out this little cactus addition to make it look like it was behind the day divider line. I was looking real quick to see if I could find another, like an actual coffee cup sticker, but then I decided not to and just to let it go. So I'm setting up my days in order there, and I'm using the monthly box stickers from the Monthly Colorful Boxes sticker book, and they each have a corner cut out of them so you could see the day number on a monthly spread. I'm covering that up so that they look like they are complete boxes, using that Dream Big sticker and the cactus sticker that you could see there up in the Monday corner. Now I'm laying in the main decor, and I basically just layered a few stickers together from the Happy Illustrations and the Dream Seeker sticker book. They are individual cactuses, clear stickers, as well as the animal horn bloom thing that is going on there. I don't really care for the face as much, so I'm going to trim it off. I'm going to keep one of them so you know what they are, but as a whole, I'm not a big fan of dead animal skulls. But I did like the flowers that were on the top, and I kind of understand the interest, the way it looks all together as one. So I'm going to keep the headdress, if you will, of the face on two of them, and on the third one I'm going to keep the full thing so you can see how it relates to the desert. And I used in the background, there was some watercolor swashes in the Free Spirit sticker book, and I'm using those as kind of like sandy dunes, if you will. Give it a little bit of an anchor or a base. It's very loosey-goosey, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking to use it for. I only had pink and the bright green teal color, but I think it works well just because there's a teal cactus in there, and then the pink is throughout in the blooms. I am basically laying it only on the bottom, so it's like you're looking at a scene, and then on the top I'm going to put just some scattered stars just to make you kind of think sky and ground, you know, top and bottom of my spread. Right now I am trimming out around the clear sticker so that I can put this inside of my planner, since it's covering a couple of the holes along the center. Go ahead and do that and get that ready to go. And then get started on the other side. So here you can kind of see how I'm going to keep the skull there on the right hand side in the lower corner. Again, just kind of giving you a little context for the blooms that I'm using in the other areas, and also giving you those desert feels. This week I decided to set up this area for a long weekly to-do box sticker. Just something different. I just wanted to see how I liked it, and I have a lot coming up, so I think it'll be, you know, put to good use this week. Starting a lot of new projects in my freelance, and then, you know, obviously I've got this channel and my Etsy shop and some other things going on that will take some focus next week. So I'm trying to set myself up for success, as well as trying a few things. And again, another monthly box sticker I'm putting there in the corner and covering up the corner with a flag that says "Be Happy." I've laid out all the days, so now I'm basically going to get started with the stars at the top. Again, trying to create kind of a desert sky, night sky up there. There was some different color stars in the Free Spirit sticker book to use, but I decided to stick with pink. They had like purple and blue and even like a coppery foiled one. I didn't want to introduce any new color, and I didn't want to bring in any copper foil since it's nowhere else in the spread. So that is my choice. I decided to just stick with the pink, and then I basically am just scattering out as much as I had and kind of giving you some feels of a night sky, but you know, not too overwhelming there. And I'm cutting up the stickers so that I can make them go as far as I can. And yeah, once that's done, we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Bye!